Prime Minister Narendra Modi was at his indomitable best as he addressed a gathering of Friends of India in Moscow. From the need to tackle terror, opportunities on the Indian economy and ties with Russia, he spoke on an array of issues, striking an instant chord with the gathering.
On the last day of his two-day visit to Russia, Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the Friends of India event at Expo Center in Moscow. Addressing the gathering, PM Modi said for last 30 years, the world paid little heed to India's constant plea that terrorism is an enemy of humanity. But now the terror incidents have changed the perception.
पूरी दुनिया आज हिंदुस्तान की उस बात को मानने के लिए मजबूर हुई है कि आतंकवाद ये मानवता का दुश्मन है और मानवता में विश्वास करने वालों को एक आना अनिवार्य हो गया है। ये बात आज दुनिया के गले उतारने में हिंदुस्तान सफल हुआ।
Amid vociferous chants by his supporters, Prime Minister Modi once again highlighted the unique bond India shares with Russia. Emphasizing with as many words, he said that the ties between two nations go beyond politics, diplomacy, trade and commerce.
कोई एक देश बिना झिझक को अगर हिंदुस्तान के साथ खड़ा रहा तो उस देश का नाम है रशिया। रूस भारत के साथ सदा सर्वदा एक शक्ति के रूप में खड़ा रहा और ये शक्ति मित्रता की शक्ति है।
In an apparent message to many critics, Prime Minister also lamented that some people have a penchant to only cry about problems. He stated that his government was trying to resolve the problems.
आज 21वीं सदी के दूसरे दशक में विश्व जिस प्रकार से भारत की ओर देख रहा है, इशारा साफ-साफ है कि हिंदुस्तान 21वीं सदी में अपनी बहुत बड़ी भूमिका अदा करेगा।
Prime Minister said that the 21st century belongs to India, stating that India remains one of the fastest growing economies in the world. Prime Minister said that the world is now acknowledging the opportunities with India as it emerges as a major economic powerhouse.
आज दुनिया में जो बड़ी इकोनॉमीज है, इसमें सबसे तेज गति से आगे बढ़ने वाली कोई इकोनॉमी है तो उसका नाम है हिंदुस्तान।
On a lighter note though, Prime Minister Modi had a word of praise or two for the Russian artists who gave near-perfect performances of Indian classical and cultural dances at the beginning of the event, even suggesting that perhaps people in Gujarat can learn Garba twists from these Russian artists. With Manjeet Thakur and Arun Sharma in Moscow, Bureau Report, DD News.